In our next problem, which is a pretty interesting problem, we need to find the condition if there are two curves given, ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1, and we need to find the condition if these two curves cut orthogonally. And hence, by using that condition, we need to show that the two curves given, x square upon a square plus k1 plus y square upon b square plus k1 is equal to 1, and replacing k1 by k2 and getting the second curve, this is equal to 1. If these two curves cut orthogonally, we need to show. Now what do you mean by two curves cutting orthogonally? It means that at the point of intersection, the angle between the two curves is 90 degrees. Hence, what we learned earlier, we learned that the angle between two curves is equal to the angle between the two tangents made at the point of intersection. Hence, in order to prove that these two curves are cutting orthogonally, we just need to show that at the point of intersection, if we make tangents to both the curves, then the angle between the tangents will be 90 degrees. So let us write the equation of tangents for both the curves. First of all, if x1 comma y1 is the point of intersection of both the curves, then we have ax1 square plus by1 square equals 1, a1x1 square plus b1y1 square equals 1. So solving for x1 and y1 from these two equations, we get x1 square is equal to minus b plus b1 upon ab1 minus ba1, and putting the value of x1 square over here, we get the value of y1 square to be equal to a minus a1 upon ab1 minus ba1. Now we have the curve ax square plus by square equals 1. Differentiating this curve to get the slope of tangent, we have 2ax plus 2by dy by dx, which we know that it is equal to slope of tangent is equal to 0. Hence, at the point x1 comma y1, the slope of first tangent is equal to minus ax1 upon by1, and for the second it is equal to minus ax2 upon by2. And we know that m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, since we need to find the condition if the two curves are cutting orthogonally. So minus ax1 upon by1 into minus a1x1, or rather this was minus a1x1 upon b1y1 upon b1y1 equals minus 1. This gives us a1 x1 square plus b1 y1 square is equal to 0. Now we had earlier obtained the values of x1 square to be equal to minus b plus b1 upon ab1 minus a1b, and y1 square to be equal to a minus a1 upon ab1 minus a1b. Putting the values of x1 square and y1 square over here, we get a1 into minus b plus b1 upon ab1 minus a1b plus b1 into a minus a1 upon ab1 minus a1b equals 0. This factor gets cancelled and we get a1 into b1 minus b plus b1 upon a minus a1 is equal to 0, or b1 minus b upon b1 is equal to a1 minus a upon a1. This becomes 1 upon b minus 1 upon b1 is equal to 1 upon a minus 1 upon a1. And hence the condition, if the two curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1 cut orthogonally, is 1 upon a minus 1 upon a1 is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon b1. This we have proved, and using this relation, we need to prove that the curves x square upon a square plus k1 plus y square upon b square plus k1 is equal to 1, and x square upon a square plus k2 plus y square upon b square plus k2 is equal to 1. These two curves cut orthogonally. So we'll use the relation 1 upon, we'll try to see whether this is equal to this coming or not. Our a in this case is 1 upon a square plus k1, and our b is 1 upon b square plus k1, and similarly this is 1 upon a square plus k2, which is 1 upon a1, and this is 1 upon b square plus k2 to be equal to b1. Hence 1 upon a in our case is a square plus k1, and 1 upon a1 in our case is a square plus k2. So 1 upon a minus 1 upon a1 is equal to k1 minus k2. 1 upon b in our case is b square plus k1, and 1 upon b1 in our case is b square plus k2. Hence 1 upon b minus 1 upon b1 is coming out to be equal to k1 minus k2 again. Hence 1 upon a minus 1 upon a1 is k1 minus k2, which is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon b1. So from our condition which we proved in the first part, the two curves are cutting orthogonally, and hence our final answer is for two curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1 to cut orthogonally is 1 upon a minus 1 upon a1 is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon b1, and this is our final answer.